Hello friends, welcome to Padhuskitchen. Today we are going to make protein packed chickpea pulao. I love one pot meals as they are easy to make, saves a lot of time and also very healthy and delicious. Let's get started. I have soaked half cup of brown chickpeas overnight. Now we will drain this water. Add fresh water, salt. Pressure cook this for 6 to 7 whistles or until soft. I have soaked 1 cup of jeeraga samba rice. Let it soak for 30 minutes. You can also use basmati rice. Apart from rice, we need cooked chickpeas. This is 1 cup of diluted coconut milk, mint and coriander leaves, 1 onion thinly sliced, a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. These are the seasoning ingredients: cloves, cardamom, cinnamon and a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Green chilies 2 or as needed, chili powder and garam masala powder. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add the seasoning ingredients. Add onions, green chili, little salt for the onions. Onions have turned transparent. Add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute until onions change color. Onions have changed color. Add the cooked chickpeas. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, 3/4 teaspoon chili powder or as needed, salt needed. Add mint and coriander leaves. Add the drained rice. Add a cup of hot water. This is the same water in which rice was soaked. A cup of diluted coconut milk. Check for salt by tasting the water. If needed, add at this stage. Squeeze half a fresh lemon. Cook covered. Almost all the water has been absorbed. Mix it gently and cook until the rice is soft on very low heat. Rice is cooked well now. If you feel the rice is not cooked well, add a tablespoon of water and cook covered on very low heat. Delicious chickpea pulao is ready. I am turning off the heat. You don't need anything for this except papads or salad. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to Padhuskitchen. Also click the bell icon so that you will get notified every time I post a video. Do share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.